Kelly Smith sold her daughter for 20,000 rands. Jocelyn Smith. Guys, Jocelyn Smith sold for 20,000 rands. I think that, guys, a normal person can't sell you a child for 20,000 rands. I think Kelly Smith, she was owing someone money. And at that time, that case, it's a long time ago. Maybe it's in 3 years. You understand it? At that time, maybe Kelly Smith, she was on drugs. And people who are in drugs can do anything. You understand? Can do anything to get what they want. A person who in drugs most of the times, because you can't sell. If you are a normal person, you are a mother, you understand, you know the pain. 9 months, you know the pain. You can't sell your child for 20,000 rands. Jocelyn Kelly Smith, she was on drugs on that time. Guys, a person who are in drugs, you can sell anything, or a car or a house. You understand it? That person is in drugs. I think Kelly Smith, she was owing those people. She was owing those people. Understand it? And a person who is in drugs, guys, can do anything. Can do anything most of the times. Can sell anything, or a child, or what. I think Kelly Smith at that time, she was not normal. She was not normal. She was owing someone 20,000 rands. And she found out that she doesn't have money. You understand it? Because, guys, a normal person, you can't sell your child for 20,000 rands. She was owing those people. And those people can say, you can give them what they want. I don't think that she sold that child for sangoma or what. But at that time, she was on drugs. You understand? She was on drugs, because that case is for 2 or 3 years. I saw in court in 2 or 3 years. Because, guys, a normal person, you can't sell your child for 20,000 rand. I don't think. Because people are saying she sold here at Sangoma. I don't think. She doesn't want to tell people the truth. You understand? She doesn't want to tell people the truth, Kelly Smith, but she knows the truth. At that person, she was at that time, she was not normal. She was not normal, because a normal person, guys, you can't sell your child for 20,000 rands. No. That Kelly Smith, she was owing people. She was owing those people. And a person who is in drugs, guys, can do anything, can sell anything.